Kwa kanyo ni komiti od bura mar Omenda koni sirkal chano manyo yore mag solo osuru mar tayo bajet mar hik omenda manyien ma ok githung'o jopiny kod osuru. Kotelne kod jakom komiti no Kimani Kuria mane ni e nyim komiti od bura mar bajet motelne kod Samuel Tandi Malego Songa gitielo ni migao mar Omenda bende ochunga put madhi rango gope mag chulo nengo apise sirkal moketi ute ji giwegi. Komiti no okoni migao mar Omenda bende biro chwalo omenda mag NGCDF ne ute chung od bura e giko dweni.
If you raise the cost of fertilizer, Chairman, don't you think that the cost of food production or other production in agriculture is going to go high, and this is going to affect the common mwananchi?
You would expect that the natural flow is the more you increase the tax rates, the more you collect. Well, now a further increase actually leads to reduction because it becomes easier to cheat. You have enough money to pay everyone around and still run your business. So that's one of the things that we want to be very, very careful about, and that's why at least the measures that we put, or the measures that the National Treasury has proposed in the current finance bill, is not additional taxes. It's especially the cleanup of our tax expenditures and not necessarily increasing the rate of taxes.
Serious housing bleeds. Cement factories are going down. So it's not as simple as telling us that these policies will mature in 2 years. No, there's something that we're not getting right.
Even in the growth of our economy, the sector of construction not even decelerated, but contracted last year. That construction sector in Kenya actually shrank.